In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the grille molding on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located right under the fender on the side. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws for the lower light. Pull the fixture straight out. We're going to remove the 2 bulbs out of the back. To do this, we're going to push on this tab and twist. And repeat this same process on the other side. Remove the bulb socket from the reflector. Twist it, pull it straight back, and remove it. Do that same thing on the other side. Remove the 4 7mm screws on the top of the grille. There's 1 more 7mm bolt in the top center of the grille. Go ahead and remove that. Going behind the light fixture we took out, there's going to be these tabs for the bumper. These are going to be located on both sides. We're going to pull up on that tab and pull the bumper forward. That tab will unlock the front grille from it. Looking straight down below the engine latch, you're going to find 1 more black plastic clip that you need to remove. We're just going to pick up on that and then pull the grille forward. This needs to slide back. Remove the grille. Going into the wheel well, we're going to remove a 1/4-inch screw on the back of our grille molding. The next set of screws, we're going to travel behind the fender liner up into here. We're going to remove the 2 1/4-inch screws going through the bottom of our trim piece. We're going to access 1 through the wheel well, and we're going to be able to push on our ratchet from the front of the bumper. We're going to use a 1/4-inch socket. We're going to use our ratchet through the wheel well. Same thing on the front one, put the ratchet through the wheel well, and then we're going to reach through the front and push up on our ratchet. Remove the screw. And remove the trim piece. Install the new trim piece into place. We're going to get our bolt started. Once both top screws are started, go ahead and snug them down. Get them nice and snug. Now we're going to go back into the wheel well to get the one going into the front of the bumper support. Get the bolt started and snug it down. Install the grille, being sure to line up those tabs. Get the grille clicked into place. Install the screws for the grille. Install the screw for the middle of the grille. Install the bulb for the reflector. Install it, turn it, lock it in place. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the bulbs, twist until that tab locks. Install the light. Get all the screws started. Go around and snug them all down. Do the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.